Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
Wow, look at that green sphere! It's like a little planet! I'm gonna build a rocket! Yes! And explore new shapes! This will be the best tower ever! Look at this glowing purple triangle! It has three
In a
sides,
world
just
so
like a
bright,
mountain
where
peak.
colors gleam,
It's like a magical
tiny
doorway to
hands reach
dreams.
out,
We can build a
exploring the
castle with
dream.
it. Let's
Round
do it.
like the sun, they giggle
Wow,
and
Leo,
play.
circles
Look
are
at me,
dancing
they
with you.
shout
They're
in
my
their
magic balls.
innocent
Keep
way.
twirling.
A
Yeah,
circle's
I'm gonna build a
embrace
circle
holds
tower.
laughter and light,
It's a
rolling
circle
and
adventure.
tumbling from morning till night. With eyes wide as saucers, they spin in delight. For every small shape is a new world in sight. Next comes a square, a box full of cheer. Safe little corners that draw them near. They stack up their books in a wobbly tower. Each piece tells a story of wonder and power. Triangles point to the sky high above, like rooftops of dreams or arrows of love. Up we go, they exclaim with pure glee. These angles remind them how free they can be. Ovals are dancing like eggs on a plate, rolling through moments both silly and great. With hugs all around for each bounce is surprise. Their laughter takes flight as it reaches the sky. The rectangle stands tall, a door to explore, opening pathways to adventures galore. Let's make a house one child brightly proclaims, where imagination flows like wild flowing streams.
They're coming alive! Wow, they're glowing so brightly! It's a whole constellation!
Stars
This
shine
is
like
the best
diamonds
mural
through dark
ever.
velvet nights. Their
See?
points
They
are
snap
reminders
together.
of magical sights. They twinkle with secrets that whisper sweet songs in this universe
tall,
vast
a
where
tower of
each child
wonder.
belongs.
Wow, look at
Hearts
that
fill with
sphere.
warmth
It's
as
like a little
shapes start to
planet.
blend.
I'm
Every
gonna build
corner
a
and
rocket.
curve
Yes.
becomes more than just
Explore
friend.
new shapes.
Together
This
they
will be the
form not
best
just
tower
objects
ever.
alone,
Look at this
but
glowing
memories
purple
cherished
triangle.
and
It has
seeds
three
that
sides, just like a
they've
mountain peak. It's like a magical doorway to
sown.
dreams.
So let us rejoice as these toddlers grow wise, learning through shapes where true beauty lies. In every creation their spirits take flight, for learning is magic that's so gleam light. So let us rejoice as these toddlers grow wise, learning through shapes where true beauty lies. In every creation their spirits take flight, for learning is magic wrapped snugly
It's spinning so fast, changing. Whoa, the golden room! Look how it floats! We could build a castle with that! Yeah, a moon castle!
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.